guys, we got a 14-foot John boat here with a trailer. As you can tell, I don't know how many of our videos you see us using it in, but nice John boat right here. Love our John boats. Yeah. Hey guys, so for John boat restoration, we tested for leaks. We're gonna have to fill those with some JB Weld. Gonna fix those leaks, and guys, yeah, spray painted the trailer. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, we're painting the John boat now. Because it's a weird blue, we're gonna paint it John boat green.
Show them what type of paint we got.
Okay.
Got some Rust-Oleum.
It's gonna be very nice. We got the top done. It's looking like a John boat. Nice John boat green. So yeah. Alright, we got the first coat done. Probably gonna do a few coats. Looking good. Very good. Guys, we flipped it over. We're painting the inside right now. It's looking pretty good. Whole bottom's dry. But yeah. Starting to look pretty good. Alright guys, we're finishing up the inside and it's looking pretty good. The boat is done painting and the trailer's done painting. Next we just gotta put it in the water. Looks pretty good from what it was. The trailer's nice and white now too. So yeah. John boat project is done. Now all we gotta do is go put it on the water. Let's get it hooked up to the truck. Just launched the John boat. Gunner's trying to get to us, but that's what it's looking like in the water right now. Guys, that's what the John boat looks like. Oh, the water's so... Alright guys, we're 3 deep. Working really good. All the JB Weld rivets held up. Got a little water from when we got in, but just from when we got in. But yeah, it's working great. Sweet.
All right.
I've never seen that before like this in my life.
Found something crazy.
That's clear water up here. Smallmouth everywhere.
Smallmouth are in here. We might try to catch them, but we didn't bring a rod, so we can't.
Looks rocky. This is a John boat creek though.
See what's here. Might be loaded in here, and we have to come back.
We'll climb up there.
Oh.
Alright, hold on. Oh, fish jump.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, more fish.
Wow.
We're at the base of it. Watch him jump. What? I saw a big fish jump. You can go up to it? Yeah. We'll go up to the concrete. No, get on it. Here, I'll use the oar.
Went pretty far, but John boat did very good. We ran out of gas, but we're pretty close.
All right, start paddling.
All right.